It can happen that in a washing machine, the hose connecting the detergent drawer to the drum may come loose from the drum or possibly from the detergent drawer, or it may become completely damaged and need to be replaced. In this video, we will see how to do this on a Whirlpool washing machine, but the same procedure also applies to other washing machines where the front panel can be removed, showing how to access the hose and proceed with its repair. The first thing we will do, obviously after disconnecting the power supply, is to remove the top of the washing machine. Next, we find some screws that secure the plate, the upper panel of the washing machine, to the frame. Once these screws are removed, we can immediately take out the control panel and gain initial access to the compartment. Next, we will need to remove all the screws. In this case, we can see 2 at the top and 3 at the bottom that secure the front part of the cabinet to the washing machine frame. We unscrew these screws and then also unscrew the screws that secure the door lock of the washing machine. Now, at this specific point, we carefully remove the metal tension spring that secures the rubber gasket and slowly detach the gasket from the outer frame. Once it is fully detached, we can also proceed to disconnect the electrical door lock mechanism. And in this way, we have successfully managed to partially release the front panel from the machine. All that is left for us to do now is to carefully move down to the lower part of the unit, detach and remove the protective baseboard, and underneath it we will find 3 individual screws, 2 positioned specifically at the far right and the far left, and 1 located right in the center, and we then proceed to remove them one by one. And in this way, by following these steps, we have completely and successfully freed the entire front part of the cabinet. Now all that's left is to grab the cabinet and pull it upwards. By doing this, we finally have access to the internal part and to the aforementioned sleeve. Now all that's left is to insert it back inside the tub. In the same way, if it needs to be replaced, we will remove the spring with pliers and then, after completely extracting the sleeve, proceed to fit it first onto the lower part, that is the connection with the tub, and then onto the upper part, inserting it into the detergent drawer fitting and finally securing the spring, which we will obviously tighten with pliers in order to insert it.